So the question is, what in case if the company has given something on lease and company is earning lease rentals on that actually. So the question is whether it should be part of the main income or should it be part of the other income or should it be part of the extraordinary item.
Yeah,
So
see, one is the rental which will come on the leased item, and there could be a initial advance kind of a thing which the company has to pay back to the person when they complete their lease.
right.
So where that money will be parked and where under what heading it will come.
Okay, very good. So let me take one by one. So assuming it will depend as to whether you are a lease company or you are a non-lease company. So if you are a leasing company and you are leasing some assets and earning income on that lease, it will be part of your operating income because that is what your business is. If you are not a leasing company, you are any other company, manufacturing company or whatever, and you have given some assets on lease to someone which is not your prime activity, it is just incidental to your business. So the lease rent that you will receive will not be part of your main revenue, it will be part of your other income. Now obviously this activity is happening continuously year after year, and therefore it obviously cannot be in the bottom appearing there as a extraordinary item. So that is one way of looking at it. As far as the advances are concerned, in case if you receive an advance, so remember this is an advance to you from the lessee, so it obviously is your liability and you have to pay it back to the lessee when the lease expires. So assuming that the lease is going to expire in next 12 months time, it will be part of your current liability. If the lease is going to expire beyond a period of 1 year, it is your it is your non-current liability. So this is how the accounting will happen in case of lease income which is accruing to you as a business. I hope that answers your question.
Yeah, that answer. So it comes under the other long-term liabilities. Subdivision may probably the lease liability would be one of them.
Right. So depending on the tenure, it can either be current liability or non-current liability.
Okay,
So
thank you, sir.
that principle of 12 months is always to be remembered. Any liability which is to be discharged within a period of 12 months is a current liability. Any liability which is to be whatever it may be, doesn't really matter. It may be on account of services, on account of goods, on account of anything else, doesn't really matter. The categorization is linked with the tenure. कभी उसको when you have to pay it actually. So
So
this.
suppose that the tenure is for 3 years and 2 years it will come as a non-current liabilities, and then the third year because of within 12 months it will come under the current liability.
Perfect, absolutely right. Perfect. I think you absolutely answered it actually.
Thank
Okay,
you.
good, good.